Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me today. It's Robson, and today we're doing a festival inspired makeup tutorial with Urban Decay, and there's a giveaway, so be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can win yourself a hamper worth 3,000 Rand from Urban Decay. Enjoy the video guys, bye. So let's start off with our rehab makeup prep, and this is the Hot Springs Hydrating Gel. I've used this multiple times before. I actually bought it before it was even in the SA. I've just got some here, and it's one of the products that I really love. So hydrating guys, like so hydrating. So next up I'm going in with the All Nighter Concealer, and I'm going to basically just clean up my brows because I've already done my brows off camera. I'm just going to clean them up. So now I'm just going to take the same All Nighter Concealer and I'm just going to put it a little bit on my eyes, and I'm going to do my eyes first. I kind of don't know what I'm going to do with my eyes, to be honest. I'm kind of just like rolling with it. But yeah, I'm just putting it a little bit like on my eye just to like clean up this area a little bit. So I have this brusher and I'm just going to set it with Nudie from the Naked Basics palette. That's that shade here. So I'm going to take the shade here, Commando, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. So I've got the Full Spectrum palette, and I've also got the After Dark palette here, and I think I'm going to use a combination of the two palettes. This has got lots of shimmers, and then this has got like your mattes and stuff, so I think I'm going to use these on my eyes today. So let's start off with the Full Spectrum palette from Urban Decay. I'd like to go in with Blindsided. That's blue guys, that is blue. You guys know this is totally out of my comfort zone, but YOLO, it's festival makeup, like let's do this. Okay. Okay, I'm starting off very light guys. I'm very nervous because this is not my typical like vibe. Guys, if you're like me and you're not entirely comfortable with color, I suggest you work like in like bits and pieces like what I'm doing, because it can be very daunting like putting color on your eyes and then feeling a bit overwhelmed. So just like work with a little bit of color and keep on adding like that until you feel like you've got the look that you're trying to go for, because like I won't lie, I'm so nervous. Like color is like not what I'm used to, especially not on my eyes. Now I'm just gonna go into Minx, and Minx is a navy shade, and I just want to try and deepen up my crease a little. That's the way it looks right now. I feel like I just want to add some blue shimmer somehow, so I think I'm gonna add Fringe onto my eye. Or should I go with like Paralyzed? Maybe Paralyzed is the better one. Paralyzed is this navy color here. And I've got a flat brush here. I'm going to put some of Paralyzed on. These actually work much better with, in my opinion, with your fingers. But right now I've got claws on, so I'm not risking it. So let's just do this. Guys, it looks so good. Wow. That's blue, guys. That's blue. What if I shouldn't just like add a little bit of this turk color, teal, in the center here? Yeah, that looks so good. I'm gonna finish this eye off camera, and then I'm gonna be back, and then we'll finish my face and then do my under eye area as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go in under my brows with Iced, and Iced is the shade here. It's a very pigmented, like glittery silver shade. I'm just gonna take that like here. So I'm gonna apply the all-nighter foundation with the Urban Decay optical blurring brush. This is amazing for foundation, guys, like super amazing. Yeah. I promise the shade is right. Like, this is not the wrong shade, guys. I promise it's right. I think I just put a little too much on that one side. So I'm going in with the all-nighter concealer again, and I'm going to conceal under my eye area. This time, can you see here on my edges, I'm just going to clean it up nicely here. There we go. So now I'm going to take the Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. This is so bomb.com, guys. So there's a cream side. This is the cream side here. And I'm going to contour with the side. I don't usually do a cream contour, but I think I just want to do a cream contour today. So let's YOLO with it. I'm just going to take a very little product on my brush. And I've literally just done this. You see, just picked up some product. I'm just going to swipe it at the back of my hand just to get some of it off. And then I'm just going to like take it in here. You see, that's already just made me a little brown there. I just need to blend it better because I'm not really like a cream contour person. I'm more of a powder contour, but I just feel like today, let me just do something different. Since I'm being all adventurous, you know what I'm saying? I'm so vibing this. I'm loving this cream contour, like loving it. Now I'm going to go in with the contour on the other side, and that's going to be a powder contour. And I'm just going to take this brush over here. It's just this brush. And I'm going to go in with the lighter shade this time, so let's go in here. So I'm just going in with the navy shade here from the Full Spectrum palette, and I'm literally just putting that on my lower lash line quick. Yeah, I like this. I'm now going to go in with the 24-hour waterproof eyeliner in the shade Mood, and this is just like a black, guys. I've got eyelash extensions on my top lashes, but I am going to put some mascara on my lower lash line, and this is the Troublemaker mascara from Urban Decay. On my inner corners, I'm going to go back with some Iced, and Iced is the shade here, and that I'm just going to put on my inner corner. Yes, just to brighten it up a little. Look at that. Yes, this is so fire, guys. Can you ever hype yourself up like this, guys? I'm like totally hyping myself up here. I'm like, yes, girl, do this. Okay, so now I don't actually have a blush, but what I do have is the Afterglow palette, which I'm in love with, guys. The Afterglow palette is actually my favorite highlighting palette ever. I'm saying that. I love it that much. Not Safe for Work is the shade here, and it's a very peachy shade. So I'm actually going to take that and I'm going to put that on my cheekbones. Kind of like a blush. Just to give me just a little bit of something there. You see? Just a little bit. Not too much. With a little fan brush, I'm going to go in with a bit of Bliss and Side Piece. I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones in a C shape. I love these so much like, guys, I promise you. Look at that. That is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Now for my nose, I'm just gonna go in with a different brush, and I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of the same 2 side piece and Bliss, and I'm just gonna put a little bit here. Little nose highlight, so cute. And just a little bit here in the center. Never hurt anyone, you know what I'm saying? Little highlight, too much highlight, doesn't hurt anyone. Yes, love it. I feel like I'm either gonna go with Uptight or Cream, and these are just Vice lipsticks. I think I'm actually gonna go with Uptight. Uptight is a beautiful nude, and I feel like I don't want something that's gonna be too overpowering, and it's a comfort matte as well. I love this lipstick. I actually bit my lip yesterday, and I've actually got like a little scar here now. Well, not a scar, it's actually like a little bruise basically. I'm gonna put on the jewels quick. But now I should be at Coachella when you're watching this video. I'm so excited for the festival, guys. Like, I promise you, I am so excited. Like, your girl is very excited. Oh guys, I'm dying already. I love it, I love it, I love it. Last but not least, let's go in with some all-nighter setting spray, because your makeup's gotta last, right? It's gotta last like the whole day that you're at the festival. Okay, so now that we're finished with our makeup tutorial, which I'm in love with, you guys can win a hamper from Urban Decay worth 3,000 Rand. You can win this, an all-nighter concealer hamper from Urban Decay worth 3,000 Rand. Okay, so all you've got to do in order to win this hamper from Urban Decay is 1, be subscribed to this channel, 2, like the video, 3, you've got to just leave a comment down below telling me which was your favorite product from today's video, and yeah, tell me that and you could possibly win. I'm gonna leave all the details in terms of like entering down below so you guys can check it out. It is only open to South African viewers, but you guys, like you want to enter this competition. You've got your all-nighter setting spray, you've got your all-nighter pollution protection. This is really amazing if you want to just like block out the bad stuff from getting into your skin. This is amazing. And then this is the Rebound complexion priming spray, as well as you're going to get 3 concealers. So you'll go and get matched and tell us what's your shade that you're going to match to, and then we'll give you 3 closer shades to that. And then also we've got the mix in facial oil as well, which is a newly released product, guys. Like, you guys, like, I'm hooking you up, eh? So be sure to enter, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.